Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have the November Glossy Box, so let's get in here and see what's inside. This box was gifted to me from Glossybox for review, but as always, you will get my complete, honest review. It is a $21 monthly beauty box, and this is the November box. If you use my link and code below, you will get $5 off your first box. So let's get in here and see exactly what we've got this month. I love the boxes. We haven't talked about the boxes in a while. They come with such nice sturdy boxes that I like to keep them for storage because I do tend to hoard all of my makeups. When we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside, tied nicely with a bow. And we will have our paperwork that will tell us about all the goodies. And ta-da! That is what we have, so let's dig right in. With Glossybox, we usually have a good combination of makeup and skincare, so let's see if that holds true this month. Also, while I'm thinking about it, if you've had any thoughts about the Glossybox Advent Calendar or the Rodial boxes, which I unboxed, which I'll put links up here, if you have any interest in looking at those or checking those out, they are both, as of when I am making this, still available, and I think that's awesome. In the past, the Advent Calendar has sold out so quickly, so they must have made more this year, and it's still available. If you think at all about those, it's worth thinking about joining Glossybox because you get $10 off the Advent Calendar, and I think it was $5 off the Rodial box. Again, I'll put all the information below. Let's dig in and see what this is about, though. This shows us everything we're getting on the inside. I didn't cheat, but my eyes did scan quickly past a palette. All right, time for glosses and getting serious. You know we can't be serious. First out of the box, we have a Deuce Ultra Precision Eyeliner, and I looked this up because we get these in boxes and I was never sure how to say it, and it's D-O-U-C-C-E, which I wanted to make Italian like Duce, or I wanted to make it fancier than it was. And when I looked it up, it's actually a New York City brand, and they named it after Douce in French, D-O-U-C-E, which meant, I think they said sweet or fresh, and it said Deuce, so Deuce. Anyway, eyeliner. It is a pencil eyeliner. Oh, it felt very creamy. Oh, wow. I like how black the black is. You know, sometimes blacks can be more of a charcoal. That is a really nice black. It's a good creamy line, too. Let's see what the paperwork says. Deuce. See, now I'm just showing off because I looked it up. Deuce Ultra Precision Eyeliner. This waterproof pencil eyeliner has a velvety smooth formula that glides on without pulling or tugging. You never have to worry about smearing again. And it has a $22 value. It did go on very smoothly, and I need waterproof eyeliners because my eyes tend to water, and so that makes waterproof a necessity for me. I'm gonna go ahead and set that palette aside and save it for last. We have a Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. We have had these through the last couple of years in a lot of our boxes. I like them. I absolutely use them. And it's one patch. Well, it's not one patch. That would be awkward. Which eye would you pick? It's one pack of 2 eye masks. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury with these award-winning eye masks, packed with hyaluronic acid and aloe leaf extract to hydrate, depuff, and more. Your under eyes will look brighter than ever, and one pair has a $4.16 value. All right, next we have, oh, these are by the same brand, so I'm going to assume this is together. We have an H Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch, and right below it, it looks like a sample of the Hero Cosmetics Rescue Balm Post-Blemish Recovery Cream. And that is what that looks like. So I'm gonna assume that these two are together. Let's see what this says. Mighty Patch Invisible Plus and Rescue Balm. Say goodbye to breakouts with this duo. The invisible patches can be worn under makeup and help to extract impurities, protecting your skin while reducing the pimple. Afterwards, reach for the Rescue Balm to speed up skin healing. Interesting. And it says tip. Place one patch over any breakout and leave it for at least 6 hours. Wow. Once the blemish has reduced, apply the balm to the affected area. This deluxe mini set is worth $4. If you bought it separately, the Mighty Patch full size would be 39 patches for $17.99, and the Rescue Balm full size, which would be 15 ml, is $12.99. And we have 6 patches to try in this Mighty Patch. Okay, next we have Spectrum Zodiac B07 Tall Crease Blender. Oh, it's gonna be a brush. I didn't know that because it's in a really cool packaging. That is cool. Let's get it. You know, blenders are my absolute favorite brushes. I probably use them for too many jobs on my eyes. I reach for blenders a lot. Oh, it feels really nice. It's got a nice heavy weight to it. It feels good and soft. I like it. That's what it looks like. It's a little, is it flat? I think probably just from the packaging, because I like a good swirl. I don't, and this is not the exact day to point it out, I don't usually wear a very dark eye, so I do a lot of blending. Today I went a little darker than I usually do, but I like to put it on and then blend out the edges, and so I use blending brushes a lot. This says that it is full size. It is from Spectrum. It has an $8.99 value. Limited edition B07 brush from the Spectrum collection. Add definition to your eye makeup with this star-studded blending brush. Its super soft synthetic bristles taper at the tip to a flame shape that effortlessly glides across the lid for the perfect blend. I like it. I like the density of it and how much bend it has. It has to have just the right amount. I don't want it to be too firm or too soft. I am always very happy to add a brush to my collection. And last but not least, we have that palette I was talking about. And it is the LA Splash, which I had never really heard of this brand, but we got it in last month's fashion store. I got that highlight palette. I think that was LA Splash, right? I think it was. And this is an eyeshadow palette. Whew. All right, let's just take it out. Oh good, the inside is black. It'll be easier to get. It's basically the same thing, but it's in black. That's very pretty. And we open it up. Oh, it's very nice. I like this a lot. It has, I'm gonna try and show you, it has boop, a cute little mirror. And then those are the colors. I like that because an all over eye color for me and then a nice transition color. I like it a lot. Let's read about it real quick and then I'll swatch some of it. The LA Splash Cosmetics Magic Palette. Cast a spell with every look you create using this universally flattering eyeshadow palette. Perfect for day or night, containing 8 rich and pigmented shades to make you feel bold and beautiful. You'll be ready for the holiday festivities coming your way. It has a $32 value. Wow, that's kind of pricey for an 8 pan, but let's watch it and see what it feels like. It bends all the way back. I love it when they do that. This feels pretty creamy. There is some kick up even with my fingers though. So I suspect when you get a brush involved, there's gonna be a little powderiness. This is Selenite, Sunstone, Aragonite, and Tiger's Eye. And these are the 4 mattes. And the bottom, oh, I was gonna say are 4 shimmers, but I think it's 3 shimmers and a deep black. That is what those look like, working lightest to darkest. They're really pretty. This one is a little warm. I'm not sure how that'll look on my eye, but I'll be trying it. I just got out a cleansing wipe to take that off so we could swatch the next 4, and let's give this a go. They say it's, wow. Look at this. Let me get to a wetter part. I mean, it is not coming off. I mean, it's definitely lightening, but I am getting after it with a real facial cleansing wipe. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this. Even with all of that, I don't know if you can see, it's still technically there. Wow, that gives me serious hope that that is gonna hold up to a little bit of eye watering. Oh my goodness. All right, the next row. Wow, that is a serious black payoff. This is rose quartz, citrine, amber, and onyx. Wow, that is, let's see how it does. That is really, that is a great payoff. Oh wow, these are pretty. Oh my goodness. Those are so, I cannot wait to use that rose gold. Those are so pretty. Black has incredible payoff. You don't see that a lot. Let me clean up from this a second. I have this new blender brush. Let's try putting the black on with a brush and see what the payoff is. Depending on what you're going for, you wouldn't necessarily choose a blender brush, but since we have it right here, let's just check it out. Oh, wow. I'm gonna show you guys this. I just did tap, 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 tap. Can you guys see the kick up off the black? It went into the other pan. Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't necessarily mind that, but I like knowing it about a palette because when that's the case, a lot of times I will do my eyes first and then you can clean up and do your face. Wow, this is absolutely the wrong brush for this job. but for what it's worth, that's pretty good. I mean, considering I'm using a fluffy blender brush, that's not bad. I mean, it's not at all patchy. I am blending it out with no problem. See how solid it is? And then as I blend it out, it's not at all patchy. Nice. So you just have to be aware of the fallout. All right, so that is the Glossybox November box. And I'm sure if you order now, this is the box that you will get. And it has in it this nice LA Splash eyeshadow palette, the Spectrum brush, which just worked very nicely, the Mighty Patch, Acne Patch, and Rescue Balm to use after your patch, the Wonder Beauty Gold Eye Masks. You will indeed have 2 masks in here. You won't have to choose your favorite eye. And the Deuce Ultra Precision Eyeliner that I almost couldn't get off, which I love. That gives me so much hope. So dispensing with the change, this has a $71 value. So it would be a $21 box, but with my link and code below, it will be a $16 box, and it has a $71 value, which I think is very worthwhile. I am very happy with this for $16 or even $21. Let me know below what you guys think. I think personally I will use all of this except maybe this. As a rule, I don't have an acne issue, so these might not get used, but everything else I will definitely use. Thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye guys.